Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to appeal and request reactivation of your Spark Driver account. Start by opening the Spark Driver app on your phone and log in to your account. When an account is deactivated, you will usually see a message or banner on the home screen that says Account Deactivated. Tap on the Account Deactivated banner. After you open it, scroll down through the information that appears on the screen. Keep scrolling until you reach the section that says, "What if I have further questions or disagree with my deactivation?" This section explains what you can do if you believe the decision was made by mistake or if you want to provide additional information. Under that message, you will see a blue highlighted link. In some versions, it may say "Go here" or "This form." Tap that link. This will open the official appeal submission page where you can request that your account be reviewed again. Once the form opens, log into your platform account if you are asked to sign in again. After logging in, you will see a form where you can explain your situation. Write a clear and detailed explanation about why you believe your account should be reactivated. Try to include accurate details about what happened and how the issue can be resolved. If you have any evidence that supports your case, such as screenshots, delivery records, or messages, upload them with your appeal form. After filling out the form and attaching any documents, submit the appeal. You should see a confirmation message on the screen, often shown as a green confirmation box, letting you know that your request has been received. After submission, the review process usually takes between 3 and 10 business days. During this time, the support team will evaluate your appeal and decide whether your account can be reactivated. Thanks for watching.